Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Startup App Notification in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. In Windows 11, you can enable or disable Startup App Notifications, alerts when a new app registers itself to run at startup, directly from the Settings app. Using Settings, press Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to System, then Notifications. Scroll down and find Startup App Notification. Toggle the switch on. Windows will notify you whenever a new app adds itself to startup. Off. No alerts will appear when apps register for startup. Important notes. Startup app notifications only alert you when a new app adds itself to startup. They don't stop apps from running automatically. To actually prevent apps from starting at boot, use Task Manager, Startup tab and disable unwanted apps. Keeping notifications enabled can help you spot unwanted software that tries to auto-launch, improving system security and performance. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.